again for 5 Angelas. You know that I tried this before in one of my previous videos. If this is not your first time here, then you probably found me from that video. So I'm going to start by first pushing my cuticles back with my cuticle pusher. And just to state that I am not a nail technician, I am just solely a nail enthusiast. I am just a person who loves to create. And also with this cuticle pusher, you think it's not doing a job, but it really is. And in this video, I told myself that I was going to push myself to do more things with using different tools. So right now, I'm just going in with my cuticle nippers, and I am trying to get the excessive skin from around my cuticles, because that's what really gives you a neat, application with those Gelx nails, and you have good, clean cuticles. So here I am just using my nail drill, getting that extra, crusty skin around those cuticles. I'm trying to figure out which drills work best. And here I'm just basically trimming up those nails because, why not? I do love how this set turned out at the end. At first, I was a little bit skeptical about it, and I'll tell you guys why, more at the end of the video. But here, I'm just basically shaping my nails down because they need a little bit of work done. My thumbnail, of course, it's still struggling with trying to grow out. We are working on that. Before I had got my willow wash, I was just literally biting my nails off and ripping them off, and I know I didn't have no business doing that. But here I am going in with a cuticle nail drill bit. I'm not exactly sure what bit this is. I need to really take the time to educate myself on drill bits, but I just kind of feel like I do whatever works best. Here I am just going to sand down my natural nail just to make sure that those Tipex gel nails, stay on with that adhesive. You want to just sand down that nail to make sure you have all of the oil absorbed, and you want a longer application. Even though I'm not leaving these nails on for long, I solely just have these nails on just to create a video for you guys. And I hope that you are enjoying it here. If there's anything that you want to see, any recreations or any kind of info, let me know. This video is a mix of like ASMR and talking, so I'll just be dibbling and dabbling and doing both. So now we're going to go ahead and prep and bond those nails. Now with this step, I have been doing this step twice with the bond and the prep, because when I go in to cure my nails after the top coat before application, it's been burning really bad, and I'm not sure if that's just like a natural thing to do, because like I said, I don't sit in the nail salon all day, and I'm not a nail technician, so I don't know if that's like a natural thing or if I'm doing something wrong. But I just want to make sure that I am fully topped off. So whatever steps that I can do to prevent the burning, I'm going to do it. So at this point, I'm going to go in and add my top coat. And I'm just using the Beetles base coat, not a top coat. I'm actually going in with the Beetles base coat here. This little wooden stick. I bought some actual shrimp screwers, and I just cut them, and I'm going to use that to kind of clean up the excessive mess around my cuticles to make sure that we don't have any spillage. So So, the star of the show is the Instant Apex nail. I absolutely love these nails. They are thick and sturdy. They are everything that you need, especially for my girls who, want a long wear of an application. I highly recommend these 5 Angeles nails. I found these on Amazon. They are around about $30. Very easy to apply, super thick, super sturdy, and it's a must buy. So I'm just gonna go in and cure that nail, all of my nails with my Macart lamp, and I'm also applying the builder gel to my nail. I'm gonna start to the cuticle, push flat down, all the way down to the end of that fingernail, and then we're gonna go ahead and cure that. Now with this process, it was a little bit rough before it got better. My thumbnail definitely has a few bubbles in it, but you know what? We're not gonna stress. We're gonna go in and do a full cure under that lamp for 60 seconds. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean up the spillage around my nail. So that excess spillage that dried under that lamp, I've learned that it cleans up better with this plastic drill bit. Like, she did exactly what she needed to do. And I do want to apologize for not being able to have the ASMR part on this particular set of the video. I had to catch up on Bridgerton, and I just couldn't sit in silence. I'm new to Bridgerton. Oh my God, like, where have I been? I think I binged it in like 2 days. I watched all 3 seasons, and I watched The Queen. So I'm all caught up, and I cannot wait until June. Yeah, so I went in with this little circular metal drill bit again, just to see if I can get, that nail to be flush with my skin. And it did its job. So we're gonna go ahead and clean off the extra debris. I did cut down those nails and make them into almond. I'm gonna go in and add my 7-land gel builder. Now this is the part that I was talking about. I was a little iffy at first because the nail gel builder, it did its job, but I just don't feel like it is super flawless. But it's gonna get better throughout the video, that I can say. I'm gonna clean off that nail, of course, with alcohol, because with gel builder you have to get that tacky layer to be removed. But when you are creating and when it's something that you don't like, it's imperative that you keep going, because you just never know what type of results you're gonna get. So after I did this nail, I'm like, okay, you don't look too bad. Let's just keep going. But I really was about to give up with this set. So I'm going to add some chrome at this point. So I went in and added a black gel polish. Of course, I'm going to clean up the best I can around those cuticles, because I've been trying to do better with my gel applications, with my polish, because the polish really makes the nail set. So I wanted to go in with this dusty rose looking color. I tried to keep this nail set as simple as possible. Simple is so hard for me because I just start getting all of these little massive thoughts in different directions, and I just start going towards a different way. But I said, this must be simple. So of course I'm going to go in and clean up the excess chrome around that nail. We're going to top that nail off with a top coat. Okay, so we have the chrome all applied, and I feel like it's a pretty good application. Not the best at using chrome, but I'm trying to get there. I'm also not the best at doing French tips, but I'm trying to get there. On this nail, I just did 2 little Frenchy lines because, like I said, I wanted to just keep it nice and clean. And then this is some lace sticker that I ordered from Temu, and I just cut that down to a small section, and I'm going to apply that to my nail and just basically make it dainty and cute. Bridgerton had me feeling, extra royal. So I felt like I just wanted something soft and classy. Loving how it's turning out so far. So I'm gonna apply my rhinestone glue, and I'm just gonna top it off with adding some of these little bows that I also ordered from Amazon. And I know that this is like the croquette style that the girl's been wearing. I wanted to try it today. I'm not sure if this is the croquette style or what, but I thought the bows was cute. I also think it just flows in well with the, concept of the lace and ribbon. It just gives a very classical, elegance, beautiful, soft touch. So yeah, I'm gonna top those off with, some more bows. Just trying to make sure it's in the right angle because I don't want to go in and cure that bow and then we're all crooked. So on that pinky, I did just add on 3 pearls to top her off. And of course, we're going to add on one more bow on this nail with the lace. And I'm just going to top this off with one big pearl because I told myself, let's not overdo it, stick to the script. Let's keep it nice and clean. So yeah, one big pearl here, and I'm just trying to get that shaped into the right spot before we go in and cure because I don't want to have any crooked nails or any crooked decorations here. And I'm just adding those fine details here with my little pearls that I also got from Temu. I use the middle ones and the center and the smaller ones around the edges, and then I'm gonna just top off this nail set, of course, with some cuticle oil. This is the secret ingredient to a clean, perfected look. You have to use something to get the hand back hydrated after using all of that acetone and alcohol and things of that nature. And a look at what we have. We have a finished set here, and I absolutely loved it. I'm not sure if Bridgerton got the best of me at the time because I was watching the show while I was recording, but I just felt like doing something just classic and simple but pretty and made a statement. You guys know that I love to create, so my simple may not be your simple, but this is simple to me. And yeah, so let me know what more you want to see of because I'm here for you. And I do have so much more that I want to share and put out and, get to know you guys. So let me know what more you want to see of in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe while I have you guys here. And you have a blessed evening. See you guys in a few days. Bye.